Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download Java into your computer in a very simple way. What you have to do, you just simply come over into your any of your preferable browser, and then here you just need to search for JDK and then JDK download. If you click on that, then you'll get an option from www.oracle.com. So if you click on Java downloads, you will get this kind of website over here. If you scroll down a little bit, then you'll find the option called Windows over here. You can see there are three operating systems called Linux, Mac OS and Windows. So we will going for the Windows. And then I preferred you to download x64 MSI installer because it's more compatible installing a Java as compared to these two. So I'm going to install it. So by clicking on this here, download.oracle.com. So if you click on that, you can see the download is started over here. So it's 204 MB. So it will take some of seconds to download. All depends on your Wi-Fi speed. And you can see that the JDK is downloaded, and now I will going to drag it into this Windows desktop, and now I will going to tap it or click it 2 times, and then you will get Java AC development setup wizard over here. If you just simply click on next, if you want to change the installing location, you can change it by clicking on change, but I will not going to change it. That's why I will remain it as it is, and then simply click on next. After that, you can see that the downloading status is now loading. So it will take some of minutes or maybe some seconds to install. So keep patience. There will be a permission, click yes. And then you can see the status is running and it's installing. And already you can see it's already installed. And now if you just click on close, and now what we will going to do, our Java is installed into our computer. So now what we're going to do, we're going to create an environment to set up it properly. So how it going to do, just simply go for your file explorer, or you can simply go for your this PC and then go for your local C drive where you downloaded this file. You need to go for the this program files, click on that, and then here you will find a folder called Java over here. So if you click on it 2 times, then you will get the option called JDK23. If you click on that, click on bin, and from here what you need to do, you just need to come over here, going to copy it, and then you just need to minimize it, and then going to search for environment variables. You can see edit the system environment variable. So you just need to type it over here and then click on it. After that, your system properties will be open, and from here you just need to go for environment variables. Click on that, and now what you need to do, you just need to come over into the system variables option, and now here you just need to search for a path. So I'm going to find the path over here, and now you just need to click on edit, click on new, and now here you just need to paste that you copied the file location from here. So I'm going to paste it, click OK, and now I will going to create a new, and now I will give the variable name called Java/home, and then I'm going to paste the variable locations. But now I'm going to delete this Java. I'm going to delete the bin, and then click OK. Click OK, and now I think that is set it into my computer. So how are we going to check it? Just simply click on search, go for CMD, open the CMD prompt, and now here what you need to do, just simply type Java, click on it 2 times and click on the version, click enter, and you can see that the Java 23.0.1 is now downloaded. You can see. So this is how you can download and install Java into your computer in a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.